Hey guys, so today and tomorrow I'm gonna be at my mother-in-law's house because we're getting our ceilings redone. We have popcorn ceilings and it's getting removed, so thank goodness, because I cannot stand the way the popcorn ceilings look. But yeah, so the background, I'm literally just sitting by a window, so you might hear my dog walking and you might hear Azrael come out. But today I went ahead and used this palette. You're gonna see my ring light. But yeah, so I used this palette. I just got it for my birthday and I'm so grateful. My husband got it for me. So I did do photos and video at a wedding on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, so this week is pretty much me trying to get all those photos done so that I can start working on the videos. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get at least 3 videos up this week, so just bear with me before I jump in. This look was actually inspired by a girl on TikTok. I'll put her handle like right here because I don't know how to say it. It's just like a bunch of letters, so yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, so I saw her do this. I wanted to recreate it, and yeah, so here we go. So that was it. I'm so obsessed with this palette already. I'm so happy that I have it. I'm about to do like so many different looks. Probably this week at least 2 videos are gonna go up featuring this palette, but yeah, I'm excited. I got this in my Ipsy bag and I was super excited, so I tried it out today. My camera will focus. Yeah, so I tried it out today. I need to get a little bit better with it, but yeah, this thing is tiny and I am so terrified I'm going to lose it. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be putting up on my channel multiple times a week. Yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.